We are going to see about the centroid formula. So we can make the table here. So first one is for the serial number. So the plane, what plane is this? Oh, then the shape of the plane. So this will be area, x bar, and finally for y bar. Okay, first will be rectangle. We know that basic element rectangle x and y. So this can be taken as h and this can be taken as b. So the point G will be here. So area formula is equal to b into h. So x bar will be, so b by 2. So base by 2. Y bar is equal to h by 2. So this is a basic formula for the rectangle. And the second one will be, so equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So we can have the section like this, x, y. So this can be taken as b and this is h. So we can say the centroid G here. So this is what called as the centroid is depending on the area. So area means here more area is there in the bottom area. So here more area is here. So we know that the centroid point will be, mentally we know that. So area is equal to of pH. So x bar will be in the middle. So b divided by 2. Y bar, what happened to y bar? So height is there. So h by 2 is not possible because it is not the symmetric or some element is not there. So here the portion area is decreasing. So we know we have some derivations, but assumably we can say that h divided by 3. Then the third one will be for what is the right angled triangle. So right angle triangle x and this taken as y. The same base is a, so this will be h. So the centroid point will be here G. So the formulas are almost same, that is area is same of in the big H. So x bar, what is the value for the x bar? Here also the area is decreasing, the same b divided by 3. Y bar, this is also b divided by 3. From the base it is b by 3. The fourth one will be the circle. So you can see a circle. This is x, this is y. The center of gravity will be in the center point. The area is equal to pi r square and the x bar formula will be d by 2. Y bar is also d by 2. So next, now to replace this one, the next three elements. So I can rough this. So the next element will be semicircle. So we can see that it's a semicircle. So radius of r, area formula x bar and y bar, the centroid points. So area will be, so there pi r square. So 1 by 2 pi r square of the x bar formula will be the same, will be in the center. So this will be p by 2. And the y bar will be, we have the derivation, based on the derivation we have the formula called 4 or divided by 3 pi, 4 or divided by 3 pi. Then the sound one will be quarter circle. So this is for the last the basic element we are discussing. So quarter circle y x, here also this is taken as radius. G point, so what is the area formula will be A is equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square. The formula will be, or the same formula we have there, 4 r divided by 3 pi, 4 r divided by 3 pi. This 4 r will be from the base, and that is from x to x. Okay. I can explain the centroid or center of gravity of the basic element with this diagram. So you can take this as a rectangle. So we know if you are connecting diagonally, so this point is taken as the center. So this point will be the same formula what we have studied, b by 2, and this will be h divided by 2. This is what already we have studied. X bar is equal to b by 2, y bar is equal to h by 2. This is simple for the rectangle. Likewise, you can progress for the square. Otherwise, you can do the same thing for equilateral triangle or circle. I can explain with this. Practically, you know that's the rectangle one. So if you are connecting diagonally, so you will get the point here. This is what called as the centroid point. If you are balancing the total weight, the center of gravity or centroid, the total weight of all these areas is assumed to be vertically at this particular point, that is center of gravity. If you are balancing this one with that point, means it will be perfectly balanced. So we have the formula of centroid or center of gravity will be the diagonal connecting the rectangle.